Hi everyone, bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 4, leçon S. In this video, we'll see together one pronoun in affirmative, imperative sentences, and the pronoun will be les. Okay, so it can be tricky from time to time, but we'll see that together with sentences, and you will see that it's quite systematic and it's not that difficult. Okay, so we can start right now. Give them, donne-les. Donne-les, donne-les. Take them, prends-les, prends-les, prends-les. Learn them, apprends-les, apprends-les, apprends-les. Write them, écris-les, écris-les, écris-les. Listen to them, écoute-les, écoute-les, écoute-les. Invite them, invite-les, invite-les, invite-les. Look at them. Regarde-les. 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 Thank them. Remercie-les. 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 Call them. Appelle-les, appelle-les, appelle-les. Put them, mets-les, mets-les, mets-les.